Picture this. You are 70 years old. Your body is tired. You cannot work anymore. And every month you are waiting for someone else to give you money just to survive. And every month you are waiting for someone else to give you money just to survive. No one wants that life. But millions of people are heading there right now, simply because they never planned. Today we are going to change that. Here is the hard truth. Most people spend everything they earn today and hope tomorrow will take care of itself. But tomorrow always comes. But tomorrow always comes. And when it does, and your body cannot keep up with the demands of work, the only thing standing between you and financial disaster is the money you saved years ago.
The earlier you start, the less you need to save each month.
Let me show you something powerful. If you save just 5,000 rupees every single month starting at age 25, and that money grows at even a modest rate, by the time you reach 60, you could have enough to live comfortably without working a single day. But if you wait until 40 to start, you would need to save 3 times as much every month just to reach the same goal. Time is not just money. Time is your most valuable financial asset. So where do you actually put this money? You have several options. First, a dedicated savings account that you never touch. This is your foundation. Second, government savings schemes like prize bonds or national savings certificates, which give you guaranteed returns. Third, mutual funds which grow your money. So 70 mime through the time or stock market. Fourth, real estate which builds wealth slowly but surely. The key is not which one you pick. The key is that you start and you stay consistent. Here is a simple formula anyone can follow. Save at least 20% of whatever you earn every single month without exception. Put it somewhere it can grow. Put it somewhere it can grow. Do not touch it for any reason except a true emergency. Repeat this for 20 to 30 years. That is it. No secret, no magic. Just discipline and time working together in your favor. The person you will be at 65 or 70 is being shaped by the decisions you make today. That older version of you deserves dignity, independence, peace of mind. Not dependence, not regret. Every single rupee you save today is a gift to your future self. Start today, even if it is small. The best time to start saving was yesterday. The second best time